Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania with the 2005 Ford Mustang Convertible. It's a V6 Premium with 85,000 miles. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, show you the top, show you the engine bay. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or get it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're getting. Now, if you're looking for a 10 out of 10 car, I've got probably 8 other Mustangs sitting around here. If you're looking for a nice car, it's not going to break the budget, but really is in great condition. This is definitely one to put on your list. So today, like I said, we're going to start in the front, work our way around. Obviously, red color combination, which is one of my favorite, and just a really nice car for the money. So we'll start in the front and work our way around here. So front bumper into the hood, into the fenders, you can see really nice finish. Everything lines up as it should. The gap here is nice, same on the hood. Yeah, you got a couple little touch-ups here and there from rock chips or something that somebody touched up, but overall, paint has a real nice shine to it. A lot of these reds can actually fade and almost turn pink over the years. This one has not. You can tell that it had to have been garage kept and only used when the weather was nice. If you want to come to the front, we'll go over that. So there's a little, it's like the opposite of a dent, and I don't know what they call it, an out dent maybe, right on the corner of that hood there. Nothing that you're probably going to see in the video or the pictures, but again, I'm doing this so you know exactly what to look for whenever you get here. There's a little touch up there. Again, a couple little touch ups on the hood, but nothing, you're not going to get it repainted or anything over. Same with the fender. That's just a little compound there, but really nice fender. The wheels on this car are all in great condition. Very little bit of wear showing on them, and brand new tires the whole way around. They are 17-inch, and that is the retro style wheel that Ford came back with for this generation. '05 was the first year for the fifth generation, which I'd say is my favorite. I've had over 300 Gen 5 Mustangs, so pretty much know what to look for. A lot of these cars all have the same problems, and they're really usually minor stuff. The radios go bad. This one's good. The door panels start coming off. These ones have been replaced, and just a nice car all the way around. Driver door into the driver quarter panel. A little dent there. That's about all I'm seeing. Really nice condition. If you come around the back, same thing. This gap along the back bumper is nice. Rear wheel's nice, and again, new tires all the way around. We'll go ahead and do the back. So obviously, factory painted spoiler. Again, the paint on this is really nice, especially outside. Sometimes the camera makes the red interior look a lot brighter than it is. It's not super bright, and it's not overbearing in any way. Rear bumper, again, there's no big chips or anything, couple light scratches. Again, just really for 85,000 miles, it's been well taken care of. The convertible top shows nice. We'll put it up at the end. That way you can get a full view of the interior. So, all right. I don't think this is a dent right here. I think it's just how the bumper and the quarter panel join together. There's a little dent on the passenger door right there. And again, this is just stuff that I'm pointing out so you're aware. Lower rocker panel's nice. And yeah, obviously it has the Mustang designation. There's no fading to it. The front windshield is nice. Yeah, just a nice clean car overall. So, all right, throughout the interior, again, you can see these have been redone at some point. They're really common for falling down. The glue fails over the years. Again, shaker stereo system, power convertible top. The seat bolsters are in really nice condition, as well as the center console, cup holders, all the buttons. They're not all chipped up. Same with the steering wheel, which for some reason seems to be a common thing on these cars, is the buttons and stuff showing wear, but none of that. You can see the dash. Again, in the pictures, you'll see a lot of this better, but Yeah, so we'll pop the hood. Again, it is a 4.0 six-cylinder. Really nice, cruising car. And, they're not super expensive to work on either, which is always a big turn on to these Mustangs. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know something I always point out. This one does have a couple little spots under the hood where it has that factory defect with the paint sometimes corrodes. It's not rust, but these are aluminum hoods. Very, very little bit. Again, you're not going to get the hood repainted. If you're looking at any other ones, it probably has it too. People tell you it doesn't, but they almost all do. But there's none that has went around the front lip. It's just on the underside. Throughout the engine bay, again, all original condition that I can tell. I don't see even an airing, even has a factory air intake on it. So this is a car you're going to hop in and drive, enjoy for a few years, and it's not going to break the budget to do so. I guess if you want to, maybe you could stand there or stand over there. It doesn't really matter. I'll put the top up and you can take a look. It does have both keys. Owner's manuals are in there too. Again, brand new tires. Pennsylvania inspection was just done. If you're not familiar with these, there's a button on the header bar that you hold in, and whenever it's done, there's two latches. These also do have a rear defroster in them. There's the one latch, second latch. You can see there goes your rear windows, and there's your passenger window. You probably can't hear it, but the car's got a nice gentle sound to it. Convertible top has been replaced, so you can see how nice this seal is around the rear window. It's a little bit thicker than the factory ones were, and a lot of times people will try to glue these over the years. You can't glue them. Once they start to separate, you got to get it replaced, and this one appears to have been replaced at some point. Might as well show you in the trunk while we're at it back here and get to show you that. So huge trunk. You can definitely fit one, probably two sets of golf clubs in there. They do have like they do have the spare tire in there, and just nice original condition. Even this light's staying in place, which a lot of times the clips fail on that over the years. So again, this is for sale at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. It's a 2005 Ford Mustang. Here's another dent right there. 2005 Ford Mustang convertible with 85,000 miles. If you want to come to the front, red. It's a clean Carfax, and it's available at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Again, we do a lot of Mustangs, Corvettes, Miatas, classics, you name it. We got something for everybody. If you're looking for a car that's not going to break the budget, that you can have a lot of fun with, should definitely be in your wheelhouse. So give me a call, follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.